can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans, and walk across the water.
Bravery is so much more. It's to confront your pain, fears, and uncertainties in all aspects in life. It's a quiet resilience, like getting up when you feel exhausted. Bravery is standing up for your beliefs.
Ons droom van eendag.
Never know. If you believe you can move the highest mountains, cross the greatest oceans.
'n Droom is nie net prentjies van make, believe en fairy tales. Dit is hoop, 'n vaste vertroue van iets wat kan wees, 'n werklikheid in wording.
I am bold. Boldness is showing confidence to take risks, stand out and act with courage when others hesitate. So wees trots, sterk en vreesloos, want dit kan die wêreld verander.
Geloof is die sleutel wat jou drome werklik maak. Jy bekragtig en versterk om enige probleem te kan trotseer.
Brave.
Dream.
Bold.
Believe.
Be brave enough to believe.
And bold enough to dream.
Die is genoeg.
Believe in yourself. God certainly does.
Today, we honor more than badges and titles.
We honor bravery, the kind that begins with belief.
Ek glo om verantwoordelik te wees is nie 'n las nie, dit is 'n keuse.
I believe in standing up for what's right.
Ek glo dat ek 'n verskil kan maak.
I believe mistakes help us grow.
Ek glo spanwerk maak jou sterker.
I believe small acts matter. I believe that kindness is my strength.
We lead, even when the path feels uncertain, because we believe.
They say a dream is the beginning of every great change.
Believe it and you can achieve it. Dream it and you can do it. A dream is a beginning of every great change.
Be bold enough to dream and brave enough to build it.
Elke droom begin met geloof in jouself.
Moenie bang wees om groot te droom nie. Jy is sterker as wat jy dink. Droom en glo. Jou invloed maak 'n verskil.
My faith in my dreams is stronger than the power of my fears. I dream of fairness in every voice.
I dream of change that starts with us. Wees dapper genoeg om te droom en braaf genoeg om dit waar te maak.
No dream is too small and no goal is too big.
Glo in jouself en droom sonder grense. Moed, geloof en 'n droom is al wat jy nodig het.
Dream of tomorrow.
Build today.
The
Future belongs to those who dare to believe in it.
Dream boldly.
Believe deeply.
We will lead with courage.
We will believe in one another.
Ons sal altyd dapper vorentoe beweeg en elke uitdaging met moed aanpak. Ons sal altyd glo en ons drome met oortuiging najag. Ons staan vas in geloof, ongeag enige vrees.
We will be brave enough to believe and bold enough to dream. Ons is nie net leiers nie. Ons is ligdraers. Ons voorbeeld lei ander tot hoër hoogtes.
Aan elke ouer, onderwyser, werker en leerling van Volpark, onthou om altyd groot te droom en ontwrikbaar te glo. Remember, you don't have to be perfect to make a difference. Just bold enough to try.
Be bold. The world is waiting for your dreams to come alive.
Droom en glo.
Be bold and brave.
Be brave enough to believe. Be bold enough to dream. And forever hold on to both.
If you believe. They say that all you need is faith, but it's almost like you lost your way. Took a few wrong turns, took a few breaks, falling behind now looking for grace. Cause you need someone to lift you up, yeah, make right all the things you've done.